We're headed up to MacRae Peak this morning. My guest is Miss Nikki. You excited? Yeah, oh boy. Here we go. Wind is whipping. Passenger say. There you go. You good? You got it. You got this. Be careful. You good? Yeah. She said, slow down, MacRae. Yeah. No, we can skip it if you want to. We can skip it. You got this. You got it. You get up here, this is where the grind and the start. Now, this ladder's a little rickety. All right, there's a cable for you to grab right here. Got it. Not coming back this way, she said. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, we came last year. It was beautiful.
Yeah, the last time we were here, at least it feels nice.
Yes, ma'am. Y'all have a good one. Yes, ma'am. Everybody smile.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, is that okay if we don't go back that way?
I'm not gonna force you to do anything you,
sure?
don't want to. Yeah.
Okay.
No pictures until I get up.
Sure. Go for it.
Good morning.
Good morning. Aaron and Megan Meisenheimer from Hamptonville, North Carolina.
Well, nice to meet y'all. Y'all be safe.
Hey, thanks.
Silva. I'll let you go on down.
That'd be great.
I'll give you something on YouTube to remember. She throws the stick at me. I'll grab it for you. Okay. You're good. Aaron, I'll lay this one right here.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Y'all have a good one. You gonna go back and catch the view now?
How was it?
It was good. We had fun. Still didn't get to see anything after y'all left.
I did something crazy down there.
Ah, congratulations. That's awesome. That's awesome.
think he was planning to do it up at the top, but it's so windy.
I got you.
Couldn't see anything.
Good job, man. Good job. That is awesome. It's beautiful.
I know, he did it.
Yeah.
And I can see it sparkling.
Y'all have a good one. Well, we just finished up the hike here at Grandfather Mountain, MacRae Peak. Let's see. How'd you feel about it, Nikki?
Great.
Great. She said great. All right, we may see her back again sometime. Thank y'all for watching.